and we're gonna demolish a dead tree, or try to attempt.
I don't know. I mean, this tree is a lot of weight.
We'll see what we can do to her. Oh, that, yeah. Smart.
What I'm trying to do is keep the explosion in, you know?
Yep.
I think that's our only hope of knocking this tree over. Alright, where's our safe route here?
My safe route's gone.
Yeah, you get over and get
My
in
safe route's
position.
out of here.
You get over in position for camera.
Yeah, you run straight towards me.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
You're probably too close. No, you're good.
Yes!
Dude, it sheared it straight off.
Woohoo!
Look at that, dude. Look at the smoking debris.
That's how you cut tree down without a chainsaw.
And
Little bottle rocket.
We were worried if it didn't have enough power.
Yeah, that sucker said.
It sheared it right off. That was awesome.
Now remember, bottle rockets are fun, kids.